Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to learn how to draw a super cute reindeer. Let's get started. First of all, draw the ears. On the sides of the head, draw two small, triangular ears. Then, draw the head. Start by drawing a large oval shape for the reindeer's head. Add the antlers. From the top of the head, draw two curved lines that branch out into smaller lines. Draw the mouth. Under the nose, draw a small, curved line for the mouth. Color the antlers brown. Color the nose red. Color your reindeer. Color the reindeer's body green or brown or gray. Subscribe for more fun coloring videos.